On this episode of Across All Borders Going Far and Beyond, join me as we finish off strong and sweet by visiting the Four Pillars Gin, Distillery and the Chocolate and Ice Cream Factory in Yarra Valley. A little bit about Four Pillars Gin. It was started by three mates in 2013. 6 years later, they won the award of being the leading gin producers at the IWSC in London. They went on ahead to win the same award in 2020 and 2023. What I love about the location is that when you enter it, you are met with this open, stylish store, and then you proceed into the tasting area, sort of also restaurant bar area, where food is served and the tasting is done. For us, we had 4 different types of gin and we could choose which mixer we were going to have it with. Our server talked to us about the different gins and what they were best suited for. You can also order cocktails here. In the chocolate factory, this felt like being in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This huge window let visitors observe part of the chocolate making and packaging process. I don't believe that we saw the entire process, but what we saw was already very cool. So come along, let's check it out.
The next one along, my personal favourite because it's so strong, it's the Navy Stream, 58.8%. So it's got a kick, but it actually means we've diluted it less in the after it comes out of the still. So we're cutting it less with it. We're getting more of what we've distilled, more of the oils we've extracted into the gin, into the glass. Garnished with caffeine, lime leaf, and slice of lemon. The next one along is the Bloody Shiraz. So it's kind of like adult Ribena. It's super delicious. It's our rare dry. It's exactly our rare dry, just steeped in Shiraz grapes for 8 weeks. So it comes out looking like that. We add a tiny bit of rare dry in after that to bring it back up to 1%, but it's completely naturally flavored and coloured, and there's no sweetening going on. It's just fruit juice, gin and juice. The one on the very end that I've added on is the Go-To gin. So that one is a collaboration we did with Go-To Skincare, so Zoe Costa Blake. It won't work as a skincare product, unfortunately. Yeah, that one, it's sort of like the Navy, but way less strong, and it's got Rondon, which is like a Chinese citrus that is it sort of comes out very peachy. So that one's delicious. With the mixer, I wouldn't put it in yet. I'd taste them all.
Okay.
And then you can mix in as much as you want. I'd go start with half and half, and then add more if you need.
It's over. Game over. Thank you.
Hi guys. Yeah, we're doing a peer review right now.
So now we're doing a review. Not that he knows what he's talking about. He already
Not that she knows what she's talking about.
he already poured the mixer in, so he's disqualified.
More like splash.
So this is the go-to gin. Not that I know what it's supposed to be, but we're gonna try it. Okay, so citrusy. Yeah, it's not bad.
I'm not a drinker.
I'm not a day drinker.
You're
I'm
not.
not a
Just a night
drinker
drinker.
at all.
I'm a night drinker.
I'm
You
here
can
for
always
this.
change it.
I'm here for the vibes.
You're here for the vibes.
Yeah.
You're like, I'm just, I'm going with the flow, but I'm drunk. Anyways.
I don't drink daytime.
Let's see.
Oh, but he's right. It doesn't taste like there's any sugar in it, but it's very good. I like this.
The green thing in
This would
yours,
be-
I swallowed that. Yeah.
Okay.
I can tell that one's strong.
That one is the 50 something.
Oh my god, that's the Navy. Okay, let's do it.
Ooh, Oh,
like the
this
middle
tastes
one.
like
It's got a bit of
no,
a kick.
that's the navy
That's the
grog.
58%.
Yeah, that's just alcohol. Just in case you
I
want.
should really like this one. I like the first one. It's really good.
Although red one was alright. It's
Yeah, the citrusy one.
very sweet.
The red one is going to be mine.
Oh, and that was like a really tangy sort of one. The bonus Jonas.
Okay. So which one did you like most? I don't like that. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're saying me too? Like what? Oh, okay. Well, here you go. So Jen's house. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? I like the fruity one. Yeah, me too. Yeah. I don't like this one.
Thanks for that review.
The last one. This
Oh, I like that
You
one.
like that one?
Yeah.
Really?
No, this one is smooth as well.
We could exchange. You could give me your red one and you can take this one. I don't like this one.
And if I screw up when I get back, I'll blame you.
Excuse me. You mixed it before you tasted it. You're guilty.
It's better.
Okay.
It's better than
Toast.
it's better if not Jonas.
I don't think I knew.
Toast.
I mean, that's why I like gin. That would have sucked if I knew.
I remember the
And
chocolate.
then when you talked about it earlier, you like Hendrix. I'm like,
Where's
yeah,
yours?
dude,
Toast.
what should I do?
Toast.
Hey, Salamati.
Bros.
Salamati? Where is it from?
Farsi. That's Farsi.
It's
Iran.
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 Salamati. The other one. Salut.
Undugi.
What was Japanese?
No, I can see.
We say
Japanese.
Kampai. Kampai.
Kampai. What was
That's
it?
Russian.
Yeah.
Gumbai.
Are you Russian?
Chinese.
Silancia.
I grew up with a lot of
That's,
Russians, Italian.
Irish.
Like
Oh, is it? Oh, then I'll teach you this one. Ege Shegedre. That's Hungarian. Yeah, Ege Shegedre. I did New Year in Hungary and you had to learn it because everybody, Ege Shegedre, Ege Shegedre.
Like,
That's
people
crazy.
don't
Yeah,
get
it's
the way they do
Salute.
in the DC area,
Salute.
so they'll just have to stay in their little communities. Huge Russian community.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, it's called Forest.
Now what's Spanish?
Forest.
Salute Spanish.
Salute.
What are the restaurants like?
Tried it with a soda because I think it's tonic
Yeah,
soda.
but there's a lot
You
of
don't have anything in it. Does anyone not have? Oh, she has some mixed stars. She has some mixed stars.
I don't remember.
Can I have a little bit of your red one? I want to try it with a soda. No, just put a little in it.
I ate a lot.
Okay. Thank you.
Maybe it's like an Eastern European
That one was just sweet.
of a bagel. It's a bagel with no hole.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so with this, it's not too
But I've been
strong.
on Russian
You don't have this on it.
and I keep watching them. There's no flavor. I call it flavor. At least it's
I bought
fish
it.
with potato, the rice.
I can't do
Yeah. I like Sonic.
You know, all the way up there, you see all that? Yeah, exactly. You can see the bagels like
And I'll talk to her on the phone all the time.
I mean, I grew up eating Turkish food.
Okay.
This is a club
Because my parents.
You're like, yeah, let's go.
I mean,
In northern China,
we'll be at the
there's
bar.
more like meat.
Yeah.
Dough,
no, I'll come to it. I'm saying we'll be at the gay bar. You'll be dancing, whatever. Yeah, you did.
You know Jalsa.
It doesn't take her long.
I still have that.
Yeah, you did.
And then you get a lead in the relationship.
Pork is a little bit more flavorful. They like.
So this is 4 pilas. We got 4 gins. I did not drink. I think I drank only 2 because I am done. And it looks like thunderstorms and rain are coming like they promised in the forecast. So my jacket and the rest of it is going to come in handy. Right now we're boarding and we're going to make it back to the chocolate factory. Wow. It's crazy. If you missed the other episodes, please be sure to go back to the playlist Australia and you can find the wine tasting experience at 3 different wineries. For now, I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesel81.